Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. Radhika, working as assistant professor in the Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today's class, we discussed some of farm structures. What do you mean by farm structure? Farm structure is nothing but physical building and facility on a farm that are designed to support agriculture's activities. Some of structures are constructed in the farmhouses to design to support agriculture activity. These structures are essential for various functions such as sheltering animals, storing equipment and supplies, processing crops, and providing living quarters for farm workers. Some of the farmers are living in the farmhouses, so it will be useful for the farmers also. Then common farm structures. Then barns, sheds, sillas, greenhouses, poultry houses, dairy facilities. These are the common farm structures. Barns. Barns are largely building used for housing livestock. So storing feed and storing equipment. Then they come in various styles and size depend on the type and scale of the farm operation. Our farm depend upon farm size, scale of operation. We have to use equipment, livestock, then storage, feed, fertilizers and nutrients. Some of the machineries are stored in the barn house. Then sets. Sets are smaller structure used for storing tools. Some of them agriculture tools, then equipments and supplies. They can also serve as workshop or shelters for smaller animals. Sillas. Sillas are tall cylindrical structure used for storing silage, hay, grain, other animal feed. Some of the animals are stored in the farmhouses. So sillas are very much useful. These helps preserve feed by keeping in dry and protected from pests and diseases. Then fourth one, greenhouses. Greenhouses enclosed structure with a transparent and roofs that allow sunlight to enter. They are used for growing plants in controlled environment. Temperature, then water are controlled conditions. Plants are grown in the controlled condition that is called as greenhouse house, extending the growing season, protecting crops from adverse weather conditions. So that we are suppose high temperature, high moisture content, some of the crops are affected. So that the crops are cultivated under the greenhouse condition. So greenhouses are constructed in the farms. Then poultry houses. Some of the animals are rearing in our agriculture, so that specialized structure designed for raising chickens, ducks, and other poultry species. They provide shelters, nesting areas, and ventilation system to maintain optimal conditions. So poultry health for the purpose of health and productivity. So we have to maintain the poultry for this purpose of our livestock, ducks, chickens. Then dairy facilities. Dairy farms may be specific such as milking parlors, then milk storage tanks, then cooling rooms for storing and processing milks. Some of the storing rooms are provided in the dairy facilities. Then farmhouses. Some of the farmhouses are residential building where farm owners or workers are living in the farmhouses. They often include living quarters, kitchens, some of the office spaces. Some large areas, some of the office areas are constructed in our farms. Some of the owners are living in their own houses, in their own farms. Some of the kitchens areas are provided in the farmhouses. Fencing and enclosures. Some of the fences are enclosed essential for protecting from different weather conditions, different animal hunting process, so that we have to boundaries separating the different areas of farm and containing livestock. Irrigation system, while not strictly structured, irrigation system are critical supplying water to crops, especially in areas of limited rainfall. The system include pump, pipes, sprinklers, and drip lines. Drip lines are used mainly for water scarcity areas, mainly drip water to deliver the water nearer to the root zone. Some of the fertilizers are to mingle with the drip lines, so directly fertilizers are reach the plant. So it will be helpful to improve the crop production and also used for the agriculture production. Processing facilities. Then large farmers may have processing facility for cleaning, sorting, and packaging, storing, harvest crops and products such as fruits. Some of the processing areas are constructed for the purpose of harvesting the product and threshing and storing, packaging, all the things, all the activities done in the processing. Then farm roads. Some of the farm roads are constructed from our farm to nearer to market, nearer to road facilities, so that essence product as a different area of farm is a movement of vehicles, equipment, and workers. So today's class we discuss about the some of the farm machineries. Then next class we have to discuss about the machinery implement set.